Is this spicy? We're making hot sauce. Lacto-Fermented hot sauce. Chilies, garlic, salt. In 2 weeks. Through the fermentation process, the hot sauce gets very mild. So this is actually not a very hot sauce. This is essentially a green Sriracha. If you subscribe to my YouTube channel, I'll eat this Serrano. Thanks. Drink milk. Stay in school. Make hot sauce. Okay, to get things started, you're going to want to find the highest quality peppers that you can get your hands on. These are about 2 pounds of Serrano peppers. All I'm going to do is cut the tops off and cut them down the middle. It's going to get blended in the end anyways, so I don't need to worry about any nice knife work on this. Next, you're going to get an entirely too small of a container to pour your 2,000 grams of water in, and we're going to add 2% salt to this, which is going to be 40 grams of salt. Go ahead and grab your whisk and whisk your salt and water together to combine. Pour your 2% salt brine over your peppers. Stir to combine. I'm going to put a plate to weigh down the peppers as well as a paper towel to create a barrier to keep oxygen out. Next, go ahead and slap a very beautiful label on there that you totally wrote yourself because I have that creative handwriting. Put a lid on it. And fast forward to 2 weeks later, our peppers are now done. Definitely wear gloves for this. Do as I say, not as I do, or you'll be in trouble later. Trust me. You can see the peppers dulled their vibrant green that they had at the beginning of this process. They also got milder in flavor during the fermentation. Next, we're going to blend our fermented peppers with enough vinegar just to bring to the top of the peppers in the blender. We're going to blend that on high until as smooth as we can possibly get it. Once you're done blending your sauce, go ahead and pour it into a very small pot, as you should see a trend here. Heat your sauce over medium to high heat. You can skim the foam off the top if you want. You do not need to though. Let your hot sauce reduce down for a little bit, just about a quarter of the way. And we're going to put it back in the blender. And in the same pot, I'm going to take about 3 cloves of thinly sliced garlic and some neutral flavored oil. Heat that over medium heat, just to fry the garlic a little bit. We're going to now add our toasted garlic to our sauce. We're also going to add a little splash of our pepper brine to the blender. Blend your sauce on high, as well as stream in our garlic infused oil until it is smooth and emulsified. Go ahead and pour your hot sauce into an airtight container. Since it is lacto fermented, it should last a very long time in your fridge. Optionally, you can can this as well. I use this hot sauce on anything from breakfast sandwiches to fried rice to really anything you want. Thanks!